Hello students, welcome to our maths class. In our previous video, we studied about page number 129 and 130. In our today's video, we will start with page number 130. Now, today we will start from the heading, a deep drawing of a cube. Sumitro and his friends made deep drawings of a cube. These are their drawings. Sumitro is one of the student like you, and he and his friend make a deep drawing of the cube. Deep drawing means a 3D dimension of a cube. Okay. Here are some of the loops of the drawing of the cube. Are said this is A. This one is B, C, D, E, F and G. What we are supposed to see is this is the cube, isn't it? Which of the drawings look correctly to you? Discuss. If you put a cube, so this is a cube, isn't it? Which of the drawing look us exactly like this that we are supposed to identify? This one, it is not exactly, because here there are three faces of a cube are on the bottom. No, so this A is also not there. B, it is also not same because this line is smaller and these two lines are bigger, so taller, so it is also not good. Here it is like a triangular shape of house, so this B1 is also not correct. This C1 is also not correct. D, if we see D and E, both of them look similar, isn't it? But we are supposed to see by this drawing. Now F, first of all we will eliminate it which are not correct. Okay, F, it is not like as a deep drawing of a cube. G, it is also not a deep drawing of a cube because this portion, this face look like a rectangle. This is like a square and this is like a rectangle, so we will also eliminate this. Now about this both, isn't it? So if we want to see about this portion cube, then according to this cube, this one is exactly identical to this. So what is our question? Which of the drawing look correct to you? So which of this drawings look correct to you? Is drawings has been asked, so we can also consider more than one. Okay, so these two drawings, it is said that we look at exactly as the deep drawing of a cube. This is the same as it is. If we turn little bit towards the left hand side, we will get this one. So this both are the deep drawing of a cube. Okay, can you add one more line to make drawing F into a deep drawing of the cube? Can we add one more line? No, by adding some lines, yes, we can add some lines. See, if I add here one line, if I add here one line, and if I add here one line, then if I join this line, it will be a cube, isn't it? If we exactly by the scale we will join this line, it will be looking like a cube. So here the answer is, can you add some lines to make drawing F into a deep drawing of a cube? Yes. And how many lines I have drawn? I have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. By drawing 5 lines, I had made the drawing F into a deep drawing of the cube. Understood, students? Okay. Now let's go further. Puzzle. Here what is there? It is a puzzle. This cutout is folded to make a cube. Here is a cutout is given to make a cube. This cube is resembled to a dice, isn't it? This is the dice, isn't it? So this cube, this is the cutout. This is the side, this is the side. If we can take it as a bottom, or we can also take it as a top or bottom, whatever we can consider this two. Okay, now this is a cut fold. The numbers are given here, 1 2, 3, 6, 5, 4. Now, which of these are the correct deep drawings of the cube? Now, if we fold this cutout, then if we are folding this cutout, which one is the correct deep drawing of that cube? Which one is the correct one we are supposed to see? So take for asking the correct one, what we are supposed to see that, students, these four are the sides of the cube and this two will be the top or either it will be the bottom. So we are supposed to identify here, we will identify here by seeing the side, top or bottom. Okay, here 2 is in the top, so this will be also not there. Here 1 is at the top, this is also not there. 6 at the top, no. Here 4 is at the top, it can be on the bottom and this. So this one will be the correct one because 4 is at the top and 5 is at a side. Here देखो 6 is here, if you see 6 is on the side and 2 is also on the side, isn't it? But here 6 is on the bottom, 2. So this we cannot be correct. 6 and 2, this one is also not correct. So D1 is exactly as a exactly a cube according to the cutout given to us. Got it, students? What we have identified here? We identified the numbers which are given on the top or on the sides or on the bottom. According to the numbers, we identified the cube. So this one D is correct. The 4 is on the top and 5 is on the side. 1 is also on the side. After 5 you can see that 1 will come, isn't it? So 1 is also on the side. So according to this cube, this cutout, this cube is correct. Correct, students? Okay. Now, next part. A simple way to draw a cube. What is a simple way to draw a cube, students? I have also in our first video of this lesson, I have explained you how to draw a simple cube. Chanda wants to make a deep drawing of the cube. She draws the cube like this. I draw two squares like this to show the front face and the back face. This is the front face, this is the back face. I join the corners of the square like this to make the deep drawing of the box. Now she is joining the squares and we can make it. In same way you can make a deep drawing of a box and look like this. See, students, I will draw here. You can also draw by using a scale. This is the front portion. The back portion I have drawn. Now join the corners of this squares. So it has become a cube. Isn't it, students? If you will draw with a scale, it will look neat and exactly as a cube. Understood? So this we have done on this, on page number 131. This a simple way to draw a cube. This cube you are supposed to draw in your classwork. Okay, student, this exercise, this cube you are supposed to draw in your classwork. Now, matchbox place. This is one type of activity, students. So it is, let's do it also. Naveen, Bhaskar and Pratigya, the three students are there, made this bridge using the matchbox. You have all seen the matchbox. So these students have made a bridge. These are the pillars of the bridge which they have made it by 3 matchboxes, and over the pillars they have kept the matchbox and they have made a bridge. This we can see the bridge. Now what they are asking? Naveen and Pratigya made the drawing of the bridge. Now what did they did? They made a drawing of the bridge. The bridge look like this to me from where I am standing. From where this boy is standing, from there the bridge is looking like this. Now what they are telling? The girl, the bridge looks like this to me. My drawing shows how high our bridge is and how wide it is. What she is telling, where I am she is standing, she is asking that the bridge is how wide and how shows the drawing shows how high, means how tall and how wide the bridge is. Like this she is getting where she is standing. See, this is the wide and this is the tallness. From your drawing, I can make out how long and how high the bridge is, but I cannot make out how wide it is. But this boy is telling that from according to this drawing, he can see that how tall and how long it is, but he cannot make it how wide it is, isn't it? But according to this drawing, it can be made how tall and how wide, but how much long it is, it cannot be seen. Means students, here we can see that from our place in a 3D 3D or the block drawing, we cannot, from our position we can always not see the all the three sides of a drawing, isn't it? We can only see some two portion or three portions of a drawing. Here we are supposed to study about that only. What this match play explains us is that when where you are standing, every time you are not able to see the all the portion of the figure. For example, if you are standing in the front of your house, in the front of your house you can see on the front part, or you can see either one side of your house, isn't it? But you cannot see the back portion, or you cannot see the other side of your house. Same way here is also with the brick game. If you look at the bridge from the top, from the top, how will it look? Choose at the right drawing below. If you see on the top portion is this portion is at the top, isn't it? So if we see from the top, we will see this portion, isn't it? From the side it can be this, but from the top we can see this portion. So we will take B. Look at the photo and try to make deep drawing of the bridge. We can also make a deep drawing of the bridge. This is the practice time. Now what is the practice time given here? Let's see it. Make drawing to show how this bridge will look. We are supposed to make a drawing. From the top it will look like this, straight. From the front part it will look like this one. From the front, if you see front, it will look like this. Okay, if you want to draw, you can draw it. From the side, if you see from the side, then it will look like this. This is the side view, this is the front view, and if you see this one, this is the top view. Okay, I have written this. There is no need to do this. Make a matchbox model which look like this. Make a matchbox model which look like this. We are supposed to make a matchbox model. From the top it will look like this, from front it should look like this, and from side it should look like this. So this we are supposed to make. You can make it. This is in an activity. It is not compulsory to make it. Okay. Also make a deep drawing of this model in your notebook. You are supposed to make a deep drawing of this. You can make a block like this. Now this practice time, it is not compulsory for you to write. We are just solving it in the textbook only. It is not that much of importance. How many cubes are needed to make this interesting models? Now there are how many cubes are being needed to make this interesting models. It we are supposed to tell us. That you are supposed to solve in your homework. Here are some drawing of the models. Mark the correct top view drawing with T and the correct side view drawing with S. See, mark the correct top view and side view. Both we are there. This is the bottom view. Okay, this will be the bottom view of the drawing. Side view will be like this. It's correct. See, side view, this and this. So this is the side view. You can see this line, then this line and this one. So this is the side view. So we will write S. From the top view, if you want to see, this is the top view. And this. So this will be the top view. Okay, understood, students? Here we can see about how we can see a model from the side and from the top. So this is our, here we have completed our this lesson, boxes and sketches. I hope you have understood this lesson, students.